Horses out. One slow out. That's Keen Focus. Ninang Mill, Green Lexter, Red Packet, Sir Bonjing in fourth. Then racing in fifth, Chance on the Horse, Sports Class, the Goose Charm, Keen Focus, and Wish of Fortune is the early trailer. Now we have Ninang Mill running by Drell. Is Red Packet, then racing in third is Green Lexter, Zerbonjing in fourth, and in fifth now Keen Focus alongside Chance on the Horse, Sports Class, Dugus Storm, and Wish of Fortune still racing in last. Now we have Red Packet takes the lead. Ninang Mill is already outside. Then racing in third is Green Lexter, Zerbonjing in fourth, Keen Focus alongside Chance on the Horse, Sports Class, Dugus Storm, and Wish of Fortune still racing in last. Red Packet, Green Lexter already outside. Ninang Mill in between horses, Zerbonjing, then followed by Sports Class, Dugus Storm also moving up with Red Packet, still the leader, and already outside is Green Lexter. Ninang Mill, Dugus Charm now moving up, Zerbonjing already outside, but it's still Red Packet, and already outside Green Lexter. Dugus Charm in between horses, Red Packet, Dugus Charm moving up, already outside is Chance on the Air, and finally is Red Packet second. Close, Chance on the Air, Dugus Charm, then comes Green Lexter, Zerbonjing 3. Ninang Mill,